Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Katharina, Katharina, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.
This is the SANAT Kumara. As I promised to bring further information about the changing times and timelines, here we are. 2025 has become a landmark year. The year that the Earth, AMAYA, regained her freedom, lifted into the fifth dimension, and is now vibrating at very high frequencies. Mother Earth, AMAYA, transformed into a pulsar, a light star in the universe. AMAYA became the central point for intergalactic unity and learning. What does this transformation mean for the inhabitants of the Earth, now known as Amayans? Amayans are all the beings from the 12 kingdoms participating in transitioning life on Earth into semi-etheric light beings. Semi-etheric beings have fit in two worlds, the world of matter and the world of spirits. This emerging state of being will challenge those who expect the third dimensional world to return. It will not return. The chaos all over the world is the cleansing and clearing of the old structures, the structures that can no longer exist on AMAYA. Amayans, the beings from all the kingdoms co-creating the new earth, have the light codes in their DNA. The human beings that accept the gifts of the 12-strand sun diamond DNA are equipped for the transformation and can start practicing their new skills. To do so, set the intention to manifest your new ability and ask for help from your soul. Trust that your soul and AMAYA are guiding you in manifesting your new skills. Trust that you are transforming. Expect your new abilities to surprise you. The beings from the other kingdoms are ready and are waiting to collaborate with you to create beauty and joy. But first, human Amayans must transform their heart space before the other beings appear and collaborate. Human Amayans who open their hearts permanently to embrace the truth that all creatures are equal in worth and value of their lives as humans will open the gate of their 5D consciousness, which knows that God life energy is expressed in everything. All the forms, such as the animals, plants, rocks, living artificial intelligence, the Ma people, and all inanimate presences make up the building materials and the tools, and are the builders of the new world. The heavens and the higher vibrational beings are transforming as well. The Cosmic Mother and Divine Father, the creators of our universe, are also transforming. This may come as a surprise to some people. Yes, our Creator, the Divine Eternal Source, or the Cosmic Mother and Divine Father, is regenerating the universe and rebalancing creation after reabsorbing the energies of those entities who could not transition into love and light. Those beings that accepted the offer to return to light were reabsorbed into light, brightening the light. Those beings who refused light were returned as energy. Hence, the need for the Creator and the universe to rebalance. The universe is rebalancing to support the increased light structure on AMAYA. Even in Shambala, we have gained new heights in the range of frequencies we can vibrate. And this new height has brought us permanent entrance into the Intergalactic Federation and the Universal Community of Lights. Our transformation allows us to bring expertise from all parts of the universe to help us heal the earth and move into the fully functioning 5D space in a shorter time. We are bridging times faster than anyone thought possible at the end of 2024, the end of the reign of the dark forces on earth. This is all for today. See you next week. Your SANAT Kumara. This lecture was received by Charles Onwulata and spoken by him. This brings us to another exciting announcement. On April 12 and 26, 2025, we will conduct English-speaking online healing circles with Katharina Adari, the Cosmic Mother, and Mother Mary, among other forces of light. In the Zoom events, in small groups, we will transmit personal light codes. Your individual personality codes for the new reality. These personal light codes are keys to powerful spiritual advancement. Your Merkaba will be updated as well, and the light that you can receive and that can walk through you will increase exponentially. For more information about this healing circle, the energy exchange, and how to register, please email Katharina directly. Her email, contact@katharinaadari.com. To apply for the healing circle, your personality codes on the 12th or 26th of April, please email Katharina Adari. She will send you more information. You will find the link below the podcast. We are again happy to announce the next book from the Cosmic Mother by Martina Violeta Young. The Cosmic Mother, Come to Me. The SANAT Kumara Speaks, Book 7. The SANAT Kumara, the Cosmic Mother, and Martina will show you how to reach the Cosmic Mother and her reality in the highest dimensions, with 22 more portals of the Cosmic Mother and Martina's wealth of experience. Martina will also reveal the amazing secret of portal painting. You can find this book on Amazon.com. We are pleased to announce the next on-site event at NAMAS University. It will occur on April 26 and 27, 2025 at Merrymount Nature Station in Quincy, Massachusetts, USA. Registration is now open at the ecotonene.com website. The link is below. Your contact person is Donald Flynn. This 2-day program will enhance and deepen your awareness and personal connections to AMAYA, the ancestry spirits of nature, nature beings, galactic beings that share planet Earth, AMAYA. Please join us. The teachers are Charles Onwulata, Donald Flynn, and Deborah Flynn. Please join us next week. You must be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy, and in space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your likes and reviews will help more light souls to hear us.
Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Katharina, Niriya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.